The Burj Khalifa, long celebrated as the tallest building on earth, is about to be dethroned. In Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, a tower is rising from the desert sands that will shatter every record ever set in architecture. The Jeddah Economic Company Tower, also called the Jeddah Tower, is designed to pierce the sky at over 3,280 feet. That's more than half a mile into the heavens. Backed by Saudi Arabia's ambitious Vision 2030, this skyscraper is more than just steel and glass. It is meant to be the crown jewel of Saudi modernization, a global hub of commerce, culture, and luxury living. With 157 floors, the world's highest observation point, luxury hotels, residences, offices, and even hospitals and schools nearby. The tower is designed to transform Jeddah into a global city of the future. The pace is astonishing. Reports say concrete is already being poured on the 64th floor with a target of completing a floor every 4 days. Advanced technology, cutting-edge materials and engineering never seen before are being deployed to push this project to completion by 2028. But behind the glittering facade of progress lies a deeper, more spiritual reality. Because while Saudi Arabia builds higher and higher into the skies, the world itself is descending further into the very signs that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned us of in the end times. Think about it. In the land once known for simplicity and devotion, we now see concerts near Mecca and singers like Jennifer Lopez brought in wearing shameless clothing. Fashion shows in Saudi Arabia, normalization of homosexuality, the spread of adultery, music, and interest-based banking, all of which our Deen has warned us against. Gaza has been abandoned to daily humiliation and attacks, and the Euphrates, as foretold, is already revealing treasures of gold beneath its banks. And now comes the sign that was left. He, Jibril alayhi salam, asked, "When will the hour be?" He said, "The one who is being asked about it does not know more than the one who is asking." He asked, "Then what are its signs?" He said, "When the slave woman gives birth to her mistress." Waki said, "This means when non-Arabs will give birth to Arabs. And when you see barefoot, naked, destitute shepherds competing in constructing tall buildings." This is not a prophecy we are waiting for. This is a prophecy unfolding before our very eyes. Who were once desert Bedouins, shepherds in the sands, now raise structures of glass and steel into the skies, competing with one another for height, glory, and the illusion of power. The Burj Khalifa, the Jeddah Tower. Tomorrow, something even taller. But all of it is nothing but a race to dunya, a race to a world that is temporary, fleeting, and destined to end. My brothers and sisters, the countdown has begun. We are not speaking about centuries anymore. The signs are here, clear, visible, undeniable. And yet, humanity still drowns in love with this dunya, distracted by money, fashion, music, lust, and arrogance. How much longer do we think we have? The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, gave us these signs not to entertain us, but to warn us. The signs serve as a reminder for us to let go of our attachment to this world and turn back to Allah before it's too late. The towers may rise high into the sky, but the hour is descending closer to us every single day. The question is, when the countdown ends, where will we stand before Allah? Return to Allah before it's too late. The countdown for the coming of the hour has already begun while we are busy drowning in our love of this dunya. That's all for today. If you found the video informative, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Jazakumullahu khairan.